So what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel with another fabulous, tremendous and amazing type of the video. Today guys I'm going to explore and explain this amazing type of platform which is going to be very interesting and profitable for you. So guys don't skip any part of video. This video is going to be very interesting and profitable for you, and this app is going to be very interesting for you. So guys let's start our video without wasting our time. Let's dive in. First of all guys, this platform name is PX. You can check this out. Native Yield Refined. PX protocol is a cutting-edge native yield platform that provides access to the cost-effective and secure high-quality yield opportunities across the industry. Here is the launch and read more. And here's guys, $45 million total value is logged up on this platform, and marketplace is $1.5 million market cap, and $500,000 is packs budget. You can check out this, and 3 million packs circulating supply. So guys let's scroll down to explore more about this. And here guys you can check this out. I'm scrolling down again. Native yield refined, and you get away to high yield opportunities. So guys just take your assessed for maximum yield. And main question is, what is PAX? PAX is a cutting edge multi-chain farming portal designed to revolutionize the way users earn yields in the decentralized finance space by seamlessly integrating with various blockchain network space. Offers a unified platform for depositing and staking tokens across multiple forms, maximizing yield generation and providing unparalleled investment opportunities. And here is how it works. NFX automates the allocation of liquidity across the various chain and initiated reward tokens into the PAX gateway will be redeposited in our partners form to generate yields. And here guys, deposit. How you can deposit: you will start by depositing their tokens into PAX. These tokens are allocated to various farm partners across different networks and are earned. Our farm partners are carefully selected to ensure highest possible yields. As your tokens generate profits, these earnings are automatically reinvested, compounding your returns over time. And here is the point. In addition to earning interest, users accumulate points through their farming activities. These points serve a measure of your participation and engagement within the PAX ecosystem and boost your properties with points. And one of the unique features of PAX is the ability to exchange your accumulated point to more profit to purse. This process, known as retaking points, allows to convert your points into tangible financial benefits. And here is take, receive, use, everything is here. And here is the security audited by the best. We collaborate with the respected audit firms to maintain and enhance the security of our platform. And here is the stay connected and maximize your real. You can join this. And here is the, and their Twitter, Discord, everything is here guys. You can check this out. And guys, this platform is amazing and going to be very profitable for you if you are interested. This is such type of the platform. This is going to be very interesting and profitable for you. So guys, and here's the how it works, dispatch documents, everything here. You can check everything. And here's the community, and I'm going to check out their Discord community. So guys, here you can check this out. First of all, they have around 10k members are in this project and or this group of the Discord. So guys, you can check this out. Here is the this platform. I'm already verified, and you can check this out. Let's check out the PAX chat, and here is the PAX chat. You can check this out, and you can also get the daily update on this. And here's me, we have sport tiers, everything is there guys. So guys, this platform is going to be very interesting and very profitable for you if you're interested. If you want to earn the dollars from this platform, you have to invest this platform and launch the app. So guys, let's meet in our next video. Have a great day.